Hey there! Welcome to Skill Zone, your hub for DIY projects, clever hacks, epic skills, handy tips, and tons of inspiration. Get ready to learn, create, and have some fun. Watch ice harvesters turn a frozen lake into flawless blocks, like a massive game of icy Tetris. Skilled hands, perfect finish. This floor work is satisfying to watch. $400-ton blocks. Featherlight precision, pure engineering genius. DIY pulley system lifts materials to the roof effortlessly. No elevator? No problem. These builders use a tractor to get materials to the roof. Skilled pros aren't just pouring concrete, they're shaping a grand entrance, one level at a time. Now you get a rare chance to see top-notch railway workers in action. A pro turns plain concrete into a lifelike stone texture that even nature would envy. Gravel grid experts install large honeycomb panels to create super strong, reliable driveways. Perfectly foamed floors, ready to withstand anything. Flawless craftsmanship in action. See a highway transform before your eyes. Fast, smooth, and impressive work. 230,000 pounds concrete panels slide into place effortlessly. Even we're amazed by the crane's power. Watching epoxy resin pros at work is as mesmerizing as a session with a master hypnotist. Polyurethane foam makes roof sealing feel fun, more like a foam party than hard work. Turn your 18-volt drill into a mini circular saw, easily slices through 15mm boards. Smart hack. With a fireplace like this, even Santa won't fit through the chimney. Special Concrete gives pools a striking finish. Its colored mix is both waterproof and stylish. When it feels like a game, you know the work's going perfectly. Build a cozy, budget-friendly bench in no time. Just cover an OSB board with foam and fabric. Only a few drywall pros can pull off results this flawless. Check out this 180-meter bridge. One Y-shaped support holds it all, leaving the river and nature untouched. Turn any room into a magical space. Make floating clouds on the ceiling with cotton and lights. Working over water? This DIY floating platform made from 20-liter barrels provides a stable, mobile workspace for heavy loads. Sometimes you just have to trust the process. The results make it completely worth it. Drip a little detergent on your hose, and just like that, it turns into a pro-level car wash tool. Be honest, would you spend $24,000 to build a terrace like this? For this expert, cutting by eye always means a perfect result. The kind of art therapy you can actually try and have fun with. At first, it seemed totally crazy. Then the final result left me completely stunned. Turning a rough stone into a fancy cup. Back in the Middle Ages, this kind of skill could have gotten you in serious trouble. Grab wood shavings easily. All you need is a simple extra pipe. Stick tape on your roller and make perfect, smooth lines. No kneeling required. Some need a helping hand, others call in a tractor. This worker seems blessed by nature with endless skills. I'm honestly jealous. A mix of precision and professionalism comes together to create amazing results. The thrill of finishing a tough job far outweighs any fear of heights. Think speed means sloppy. Watch how fast work can still be top quality. This guy is built for double the power, handling tough jobs with ease. Not every genius wears a lab coat. This one turns park floors into perfection.